Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all sorts of subscription box unboxings. We do everything from beauty and lifestyle to jewelry, home decor. We do everything here. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated and we'd love to have you join our family here on YouTube. So, without further ado, BoxyCharm. Yes, this is the BoxyCharm base box for January 2020. I'm so surprised I got it this early. I'm like, what? But I'm super tickled because I cannot wait to see what is in here. So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna get in and see what goods I got for January. If you are not familiar with BoxyCharm, it is now a $25 a month beauty subscription and you receive 5 full-size beauty items. And you are allowed to choose one of the items in your box every month. So I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for BoxyCharm if you have not already. They do now also have Boxy Premium, which is $35 a month, and I believe you receive 6 to 7 full-size items in that box. And also, you can kind of upgrade your regular BoxyCharm box every season or every quarter. It will be actually what they call Boxy Luxe, and that is $49.99. So instead of the $25, you'll be charged $49.99, and it's amazing. It's a wonderful box. Love it. So there's all the deets on BoxyCharm. So let's get in here and see what we got. So it says, hello, Charmer. And then when you open it up, they have changed the box a little bit. It is now red. It says BoxyCharm. And we have our foam, of course, and we have our little information card. So the theme for January 2020 is breaking the ice. All right, and then we have on the back all of the product information, including pricing, which I do like. And let's see, I got variation 13. So, oh, y'all, what? I'm not even gonna show you. I'm just gonna pull out one by one. What? Okay, I see you, BoxyCharm. I got you. All right, so we will start with one product. And I'm actually really excited about this. I love this company, this brand, just everything about it. It is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy. This is the face gommage, a polishing micro exfoliating truffle face gommage made in Italy. All fancy. And this is $28, a delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. Truffle Therapy Face Gommage is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and the luxury Italian spa experience. A beauty cabinet staple, the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage features sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and our unique and exclusive Black Winter Truffle Extract, which has a high concentration of superoxide dismutase. Still said it wrong, I know. A powerful free radical scavenger that reduces the signs of aging, gently buff away and erases dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion. So, I'm very happy about this. It is, oh, it's sealed good. So I will actually put this, probably I'll put this like in my linen closet or something because I'm trying to finish up my Dr. Brandt microdermabrasion, but that will take its place. So I'm excited about that. All right, and then let's see. This was a choice item. So you had the choice, I believe it was 2 different Ace Beauty palettes, or you could have chosen the Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream, and that is what I chose. All eyes are on you with this potent yet gentle, light reflecting and age fighting cream. A perfect combination of retinol and ruby crystal complex that gives your eyes the attention they deserve. And this is $55. $55. Illuminates the eye contour, helps smooth away lines, helps reduce moisture loss. And it says to use your ring finger, apply to bone area of eye from the outside corner of the eye inward. Use AM and PM. Yeah, this is dermatologist tested, so I am excited. All right, let's see what we are going to look at next. All right, so last month they sent, it was either last month or the month before, they sent some complexion little samples for Pretty Vulgar, like concealer, and I believe like a Becca foundation. And whoa, I got the Pretty Vulgar concealer. You had to go in and kind of take a quiz and let them know. I am loving that they are starting to put complexion products in the box. I think that is fantastic. So this is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. Undercover Concealer is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural, flawless finish. Infused with vitamin E and, y'all, this is a big word, okay? This is like a big word. Gallic toe arabinin, something, that's a big word. Y'all try saying it. To keep skin moisturized and to rejuvenate and improve the skin's appearance. The angled doe foot applicator is easy to use and precisely applies the velvety soft formula to visibly brighten the complexion and cover dark circles. This blendable long-wearing concealer is great for all skin types, and this is $25. So let's see. So it does have, like they were talking about, like the angled. I think that's a good color for me. This is Little White Lies, 60, I don't know. And then it says 305H. I don't know, but I think it's good. I think it's good. Possibly could have been a smidge lighter, but I still think it will work. And I did take this out of the box. I don't know why, but I want to see the actual product. I'm sitting here looking at it. All right, so here is the actual Dr. Brandt product outside of the box. All right, so it has that type of, I'm curious, okay, no, because it was talking about ruby crystal, so I was wondering if it was gonna be red, but it's not, it's just white. And, oh, okay, a little goes a long way. I don't know if you guys can see all of that right there, shininess, and it's still going even further. It has a little bit of a scent, and I can't really figure out, it almost smells citrusy. All right, so, and then we have, and I did not even know this was an option. This is from Manik Dar, Lip Whip, a matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply, and formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips. This is $21, and mine is in the shade Faith. So let's take a look. It looks like a really pretty color. All right, so here is what it looks like out with the plastic off. Oh wow, that's interesting. It's like a, I don't know. But so there it is. This is a very, very pretty color. Oh yeah, all day long. What? That is gorgeous. You guys, oh my gosh. And then the final product in my box, and I was so hoping for this. I thought it would be a little bit bigger, but that's okay. Good things come in small packages. And this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. The Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects skin overnight. This pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance-boosting face mask formulated with soothing amino acid-rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore-refying AHAs that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. It's $22. I got the moisturizer last month, I think, in my premium. Oh my gosh, y'all, I love it. So I am so excited. Oh my gosh. Woo. I love sleeping masks. All right, so it's got a little safety seal-ish thingy. We're gonna scrape every bit of product off of there. Oh, y'all, that smell. It literally smells like when you bite into a watermelon. But it is very like jiggly and creamy. Jiggly and creamy. I do want to see if it looks like there's a little paper inside. I want to see if that says anything. I'm wondering like if this is one of the ones you have to wash off in the morning. Take a moment to shake formula before each use. Okay, that's good to know. It's talking about a blueberry bounce gentle cleanser. This is, oh, it's telling me more. Okay, it says, radiant petal soft skin is just a dream away. The Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is formulated with watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and AHA to hydrate and smooth skin overnight for a post-facial baby soft result. To use as a sleeping mask, apply as the final step of the evening routine. For drier skins, add an additional layer if desired. Pat gently until absorbed, wash thoroughly in the morning. And then it says to use as a wash-off mask. Apply a thick, generous layer to damp, clean skin and then rinse with lukewarm water after 10 minutes. So you have the option to use it as a sleeping mask and then wash it off when you wake up. Or if you want to just put a thicker layer on, you can then just wash that off in 10 minutes. So the Face Gamage from Skin & Co. Love it. The Pretty Vulgar Concealer. Love it. The Dr. Brandt Retinol Eye Cream. Love it. This Manicador Lip. Yo, love. And my little baby. Love, love, love. So this honestly is probably one of my favorite BoxyCharms in a while. Like for the base box, this is like legit. They kicked off 2020 with a bang and they've set the standard for 2020. So they better just keep on keeping on doing what they're doing with this because this is amazing. So like I said, I will put a link down below for BoxyCharm. If you have not signed up, I definitely recommend it. It is amazing and well worth your money. I will put the total value of my box. I'll let everything up and put it down here for you guys so you can see what the total value was. Like I said, it's $25 and you get all of this. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.